Hi. Um, in Scrum, there are three artifacts. Right? The first one is a product backlog, which is the most important artifact, but without which we cannot really build a product. So let's kind of try to cover the product backlog using an acronym called DEEP. Okay. So product backlog is the first and foremost artifact. Right? So this has the list of all the requirements, all the features that you want to build in a product. Yeah? So how does it look? In a traditional world, we try to understand everything in detail. Right? There are 500 requirements, everything we try to understand in very detailed manner. But in Agile, the product backlog does not look like that. Let's take an example. So the product backlog will look like this triangle. Yeah? The first letter of the acronym D means detailed enough. Right? So if you see, there are three colors. The red ones are the really small ones, and the blue ones are a little bigger ones, and the green ones are really big. Right? The backlog looks always like this. Yeah? There are a few things that we really know, very well. So those are really detailed into very minute details. There are a set of things which we know to a bit extent, but we don't know everything about it. But that's what we want to build, so we want to probably keep that in the second set. And the third one is the really big ones. We want to do something of that feature, but we don't know further. We just know about very high level feature. Yeah. So there are a few features that are really detailed. There are a few that kind of detailed enough, and third one has very high level features. Let me take a practical example, right? A non-software example, and then we'll come to software. So the non-software example that I can think of is constructing a house. Okay? I built a house. When I built a house, I actually started with, I had a very high level plan that I need a 3-bedroom house with attached toilets, and then hall, and probably a small dining area, and then a kitchen. So this is what very high level requirements that I had. But when we started with the project, we decided that whether we're going to construct 1 floor or 3 floors. So based on that, we really detailed enough the basement, the basement that we constructed. The columns that we had, right, we built, were strong enough to hold this house. So we went really detailed in the beginning about building the columns, literally below the surface. So we built a column. Okay, it should be 2.5 feet or 3 feet. All that we discussed, and what should be the width of the what should be the cement and the soil combination for that kind of column, and all kinds of details. Like we went very detailed. We understood this is what we want. This kind of feature that we want. Right? And then when we built our house, when we started building, when we reached the roof, we now spoke about that. Initially, when I started a product, when I started building a house, the roof was kind of somewhere here. Like we needed a roof, and it should be of 11 feet height, between the floor and the roof. And all this we discussed, but when we got into the roof, this got broken into small ones as we moved forward. So then we discussed, hey, now that we are into roof, what kind of roof we want? Do we need a normal roof, or should we need a hollow roof? Right? So this got further broken into smaller ones. This is how Agile requirements work. Right? So and then when we move forward, these ones, in a construction example, is about your interior design. Where do you want to fit your fan? Where do you want to fit your, put your sofa? Where do you want to mount your TV? And so on, right? We don't worry about all that when we start building a product. And as we move forward, we finish that, right? So it is, have the requirements detailed enough that, some of them are really detailed, some of them are very high. And this is how human actually works very well. Human cannot detail every small thing upfront. Right? So let's move on to the second one. Right? The E in the first E of this acronym D is all about estimation. So when you look at this backlog, you can have 1,000 items in your backlog, and you should be able to estimate each of them in a very quick way. Right? So the Agile estimation works here. The product backlog is actually estimated. Every product backlog item is estimated. Let me give you an example. So one of the ways of estimation, one of the best ways of estimation in a product backlog is a planning poker. Right? If you look at this, you see that there are a few numbers. Like, I'm not going to detail here. I'll cover this in detail when I come to the estimation topic. Right? So we use a planning poker estimation for doing a product backlog estimation. So to to give you a very high level picture, if you see, there is it starts with 0, then half and 1 and and 2 and so on. And then you will also see big numbers like 100. Right? You also see infinity. Right? There's an infinity, there's a 100, so it varies from 0 to infinity. So a story, a very, very small story can be of 0 or half or 1. A story which is of this size can be 100 or infinity. How does it help? It just helps us to know that, hey, it is that big work. That's it. As we start building a product, it just helps us to understand how big is that work. Yeah? So it's detailed enough, right? It is estimatable, the product backlog is estimated. And let's come to the third E, the beauty of agile success. One of the beauties of agile success is the product backlog item is actually emergent. This E means emergent, right? So, what does emergent mean? Right? We are not fixing this requirement. When I built a house, I never fixed a requirement for the complete house. I had few requirements which were fixed. Few were put on the list, but we never said this is exactly what we're going to build. Let's see when we move forward, right? So the backlog looks like this. This is the backlog, right? This was my construction backlog. So as we moved forward, what we did is there are a few items we actually added later, which we didn't think about in the beginning. There are a few items that we actually removed because as we moved forward, we realized that it doesn't make sense for us to have that. So we removed it. Yeah? And within the backlog, existing ones, some of them got deprioritized, moved from top to bottom, and some of them got moved from bottom to top. So all these can change in agile requirements. The only thing that is fixed in your product backlog is a sprint backlog. Right? Again, I'm not going to cover in detail about sprint backlog now, but the sprint scope is fixed. Everything else can change. Everything else can change, meaning it can move up, move down, it can be removed, something new can be added. So all the effort that we are spending in the backlog is only just a very high level estimation, so we are not going to lose anything. Unlike in traditional project management, like a waterfall, we actually do a lot of work by estimating, detailing enough the work and so on. Where here we are not going to do that. We just look at high level requirements and do an estimate. Yeah. So that's the third letter of acronym, which is E. Fourth one is P. P is nothing but prioritized. Yeah? The backlog, the complete backlog is actually prioritized. Right? For example, everything, we know that there are few things that we have to do first and few things we have to do later. Right? So we prioritize the backlog, by having a number, priority number. For example, there can be only one priority number for an item. There cannot be two items of same priority. Right? So if you have 100 items in your backlog, there are 100 priority numbers. So it is so clear for the team, that this is exactly what we want to build. Right? We are not going to build the next one because it is of the lower priority number. Right? So this priority is given by the product owner. Product owner gives a priority saying that this is exactly what I want, and this is the priority order that I want that you should be building the product. Yeah. So with this, I just covered very high level, high level concept about the whole product backlog. Let's take this a little more. Now that we spoke about a non-software, let's come back and see how the software world, we can use this. If you're building a product and if you want to release a product of, which is going to take say approximately 6 months is our timeline that you want to release a product. Build a product backlog for the 6 months of this size, right? There are next to 2 sprints, which is like, let's assume that our sprint length is like 2 weeks. Next at least 2 sprints, break it down into smaller. Right? Your software product, the requirements should be broken really into smaller for the next at least 2 sprints. After that, the 2 or 3 more sprints can be of this size. As you move forward, in our Scrum execution, when you do a backlog refinement, we are going to actually split this into smaller ones later. It's okay to have a kind of a decent size. There are a few things we don't even know. We're going to build only after 3 months or 6 months based on the priority. It's very clear that they're going to build that feature maybe after 4 months. right? So don't worry about it now. Don't spend any time on this. That's how it works, right? And every story, user story is estimated, right? And user stories are put in a form where you can actually move up, move down, and then something can be removed, something can be injected later. And every user story is estimated. Yeah? So I just kind of covered very high level, you know, explanation about how the product backlog works. Thank you.